And the new reveal, my guys. What is up, YouTube? Mustangs of Michigan, back with another video. Currently, I am driving over to my buddy Brett's house to pick up something for him. And then we're going to be going over to Dan's to install it. So you'll have to stick around to see what it is. It's pretty dope. A lot of people have done it already, but nobody in our group has. So it's a first for us. So stick around and check out the install. All right, guys, we got the bumper in the trunk. This the man right here. How you feeling?
Looking
Nice as hell. This the whip. Don't mind this bumper right now. This was a failed attempt in the past, and then he hit a deer or some shit, right? Or some possum or something.
Yeah,
Rip the lower lip off. So we got that monster truck suspension right now, my boy. But all right, let's go ahead and get the dance. Get this boy on. All right, guys, we're here at Dance. We got everything unloaded. What you gotta say, my man? Shout anybody out that you need.
Quick, I'd like to give a shout out to my ex. You can try to shoot me, but you can't kill me.
Literally. We need some holy water for this car. But we're about to get started. Dan. Oh, perfect.
What's up?
How you doing, Dan? Yeah, long day. All right, guys, we got this bumper off.
It was like this high, bro, but it just tore everything up.
But you said that you hit a deer earlier.
That wasn't supposed to be on the camera, bro.
Oh, okay, all right, for sure.
You said I hit a deer.
Hey,
Yeah,
all right, well,
you said. I just started laughing and shook my head. I was like, all right.
she's looking pretty good.
Yup.
Look at all this.
Got a savage shot.
It's a lot of pieces.
She's got a savage
You ready for this, Dan?
shot. When I hit that crowd.
All these pieces.
Oh, this is easy. These are all clip-on.
You're not wrong. All right.
The only thing is we don't have a bracket for the.
All the brackets are over here.
We got all the brackets. Yeah, all the hardware is in the box.
Okay.
Right over here.
Okay, but yeah, I was gonna say we need the brackets.
Yeah, we got them. First grill piece is about to go in.
Go like this. No, it has to fucking go like this, doesn't it?
Yeah, we're figuring this out. No instructions, guys. So thanks to this dude, we just winging it.
I'm trying to figure out where these holes that they were talking about are.
Right here.
Right here.
I see these, but yeah, we don't even have that back cover plate that does that.
I think the back cover plate was for the bottom one.
No, there's an upper one too.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, maybe don't clip it in because.
Yeah, I'm gonna clip it in.
Alrighty, we got these honeycombs or whatever you want to call them, all ready to go with the turn signals.
Let's see, this connects. This
Yeah.
supposed to turn
Oh,
signal,
yeah.
and then it connects
Yeah.
to a wire. I don't have another one of these. I lost it. I didn't know I lost this when I hit
That's what it was. Okay.
That's why.
So
It's $40 for the pair, bro. Come on now, Brett.
Is it?
Yeah.
The dynamic?
It's $40 for the two turn signals.
That's what I'm rocking all
You know
dynamics.
you got it.
Hey, you want to put one in real quick?
Oh, you already screwed this in?
Didn't
No,
screw in anything.
no, I didn't. I was just lining
that's
up
how it
the
is.
Oh, this
Yeah,
is
that's a
that.
part of
Okay,
it,
I was
yep.
like, what the fuck?
Just
See, I'm
gotta-
tripping, man. I ain't done this in so long.
Just gotta snap her in.
Okay, so this, we do need a bolt for
Yeah, but
this.
it does need bolts.
Yeah.
Yep. So I want to get this bolted before I...
All right, guys. Update. Had to retrace our steps, redo a few things because there's no instructions.
You know how it goes?
Exactly. So,
Not our first time.
not our first time doing these type of things, but we're getting along, we're moving along. And yeah, we'll update. Got most of it put together. Looks really freaking good, I gotta say. What you think?
Looks fire.
Looks fire, right? What you think, Dad? You hate this bitch, don't you?
Pain in the ass.
Pain in the ass. These clips are
But
ridiculous.
it looks fucking crazy.
Yeah. My goodness. Kind of makes me miss my 15.
Real.
What pieces you got, too?
We got this piece going on.
These
now.
clips have a tighter bond than a pair of redneck step siblings.
If you're from Alabama and you're watching this, yo, we not sorry, because it's facts. Okay, we joking. Don't get offended. Don't get offended, y'all. But yeah, we got some pizza. This is what it looks like from the backside. All these grills and all this stuff. You really have to kind of just figure out what screw goes where on your own. Thanks to this dude.
Literally.
We figured it out, though.
Yeah, he's a king.
But yeah, we got this left. These little GT500 side things. We're gonna put it on. So, anything else you want to add, Dan?
Not until I'm done with the side.
Yeah.
Other side sockets.
All right, y'all. So, after thinking we had it, we had to fucking go back and
We didn't go to the lip
essentially.
We got lip fillers.
Yeah, we had to redo some of the lip part, put on some of the canard stuff. And unfortunately, because our buddy Brett doesn't have a belly pan on here right now, we thought we weren't supposed to use those pieces. But we are. So, we're doing that now. And hopefully in the next shot, it'll be on the car. Alright, guys. She's almost on. We're just fiddling with the sides and the new fender brackets because they do provide these. Up to you if you want to replace them. We did because we got new ones, so why not? So, getting it on now. And in a little bit, she'll be complete. And then we'll pull her out. We done, guys. Alright, pull her out, Brett. And the new reveal, my guys. Oh, yeah. And if you're... Yeah, exactly. I was just about to say, the fact that one side marker's out is because he hit a deer or some shit with the other one, and the wiring's just a little messed up. We didn't have time to mess with that tonight, but bumper-wise...
Turn your headlights on. Turn your headlights on.
Looks really good. Yep, so this is what she's looking like, guys. We're gonna wipe her down. We're gonna wipe her down, but this is... There it is, guys.
Finally got it finished.
What you gotta say, Dan? You did most of the work.
I hate when kids don't have instructions, but we got it done.
We got it done.
Took a little more figuring out, but
Yep.
we got it done. It looks good.
hey.
There's a lot of pieces to this kit, so
That's
I
for
wish
sure.
we made a more in-depth video. But
Yeah. It is what it is.
limited time. So
Yep. What you think, Brett?
It's fucking beautiful.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah, it'll look
Hell
better
yeah.
daytime, too.
Daytime, and
don't mind the marker.
yeah,
light.
we're gonna
Don't
get
work
that
with
fixed, and we're gonna clean her up. But man, she looks good. All right, guys,
See you, Brodies.
come on over here, Dan. We out of here. Till next time.
Yes, sir.